Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In the last few videos, we learned about variables, data types, and operators, and now it's time to make our code smart and responsive. Today, we'll learn about one of the most important concepts in programming conditional statements: if, and else. So, what are conditional statements? Conditional statements allow your program to make decisions. Just like in real life, for example, if it's raining, I'll take an umbrella. Else, if it's cloudy, I'll keep a jacket. And Elsa, I'll go out freely. See, we just made a decision based on conditions. Now let's see one more example. All right, so I am making a mobile phone here, and the RAM of this mobile phone is 2 GB. Okay, then I make another phone, and its RAM is 4 GB. And then there is one more phone whose RAM is 8 GB. So now you need a phone, okay? So you are thinking that if I like the 2 GB phone, then I will take it. If I do not like it, then I will check the 4 GB phone, and if I like it, then I will take that. And if I do not like both of them, then the last option I have is the 8 GB one, and I will take that. So I hope you understood. Now, let us go to our Visual Studio Code and understand by writing it. Okay, so now let us see an example. For example, you want a phone, right? But your parents are saying that if you are older than 15 years, then only they will get you a phone. And if you are younger than 15 years, then they will not get you a phone. But if you are younger than 10 years, then they will get you toys. And if you are younger than 5 years and you also do not eat properly, then they will scold you. But if none of these conditions are true, then nothing will happen. So let's see how we can write a code for this. So first we have to create two variables, first for his age, and the second one is to check if he eats properly or not. Okay, so let's make the first one, let age equal sign 4. And the second one, let eats properly. And this will be Boolean, so true or false. So let's put false. And now we have to write if and else. So first we will write if and then brackets. And here we will write the condition that we want to check. So first, what was it that if you are older than 15 years, then you will get a phone? So for that, we will write if age greater than 15. Then we will open curly brackets. And now we will write here, console log, you will get a phone. So now understand that this first brackets is the condition. If this is wrong, then it will not go inside from here, right? So this will not run. And this curly brackets, the code inside, this will run only when the condition we have written in these brackets is true. Okay. And yes. Now, see, you can directly write else here if there are only two things in your code. For example, either this or if this is false, then just do this, right? But if there are multiple things, then we will use else. If so, for that, we will write else, if, and then again, brackets. And here we will write our condition, else, if age is less than or equal to 15. And then we will use the and operator. So its symbol is, and age is greater than 10. Then you will not get a phone, right? So now understand, this will happen. That first, when we run the file, this code will run, and it will check if age is greater than 15 or not. If yes, then this code will run. And if not, means if it is less than 15, then it will return from here and check the else. If so, then it will come here and check if else, if age is less than or equal to 15. And, you know, in the last episode, we studied about the and operator, that if even one condition is false, then it becomes false, right? So it will check this, and if this is false, then it will return from here. But if this is true, then it will check the condition after the and operator, if age is greater than 10 or not. If it is greater than 10 and also less than or equal to 15, then this code will run. But if it is less than or equal to 15, but also less than 10, then this code will not run. So now we will see that if you do not eat properly, and if age is 5 or less than 5, then you will get scolded. So for that, we will write else. If age is less than or equal to 5, and eats properly is equal to false means. If you do not eat properly, then you will get scolded, right? And after that, we will simply write else, because else runs at the very end when all conditions become false. So for that, we do not give any condition in else. So to write else, simply write else curly brackets. And inside this, we will write console log. Nothing will happen. So now let's run the file and see what happens. Okay, so you can see it prints, you will get scolded, and you know why. Now let's understand. So when we ran the file, the code started running from here, from the very top, and it came to this line. First, it created a variable and assigned 4 to the age variable. After that, it created another variable and assigned false to it. Then it came to the if condition and went inside the brackets and checked if age is greater than 15, and it found out that age is 4, which means it is less than 15. So it moved to the else if, then it checked if age is less than or equal to 15. So it saw that age is not equal to 15, but it is less than 15, right? So this became true. Then it saw the AND operator and said, oh, I need to check one more condition. So it came here and checked if age is greater than 10 or not, and it found that no, age is 4. So age was less than 15, but not greater than 10. So it skipped this and went to the next else. If, and here it checked if age is less than or equal to 5, and it saw, yes, it is less than 5. Then it checked if this kid eats properly or not. So when it checked, it found that this is also equal to false. So both conditions became true. So it ran this code and printed console log. So that is why this became true, and it did not print else. So now, tell me, if we want the first condition to become true, then what do we have to do? We have to make age greater than 15, right? So for that, I will go here and change it from 4 to 15. And now I run the file, so you can see that condition became true, so it got printed. Now, if we want the second condition to become true, then we can either make age equal to 15 or less than 15, right? But it has to be greater than 10. So I make age 15 and now run the file. So it says, you will not get a phone, right? I hope you are understanding, and else will only run when all these conditions become false. So for that, we have to make eats properly true, and we will make age 17. But this will make the first condition true. So for that, I will remove the greater than and use less than operator. And now when we run, you can see, because all the conditions are false, it printed else. So guys, I hope you understood, and believe me, if else is something you will use a lot, so you need to understand it well. And with this, you can do so many things. And I have not even used all the operators, but you can use any operator. And yes, if you have not joined Discord yet, then the link is in the description. Join quickly, because I post tasks there daily related to what I teach in the video. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.